Right, I'm up at my pony yard, so this is my mini one now. I do need to replace one number plate bulb that's gone purple where I've squashed it, putting it back in. Big ass black wheels. Not sure what size they are actually. 17s, bloody hell, I've got 17-inch wheels on it. I'd rather have my old 15-inch 5 studs to be fair. It's not too bad. But the water leak seems to have vanished, which is strange. So at the moment it's got the Mini 1 badge on, that's coming off. Let's go in, debadge it, keep that one. Gonna black that chrome out on there, tail lights, headlights, blah de blah de blah. But for the minute, she looks like. Water bottles because she has had a leak, but I don't know where the leak's gone. But I fixed the brake pads, fixed all the lights. She's good as gold. And just to show, everything's good in the world of car. There we go, everything's happy.